Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mongkol. I come from Thailand. I feel honored to be the one-off speaker in the great event 2024 Neobiotech World Symposium. My topic is validation of stability dip through assessment total stability changes. In the past, we concerned the dip between primary and secondary implant stability during the healing period. So we do nothing in those periods of time. Now, with the implant design, with the surface treatment, including drilling protocol in various type of bone density, we can do anytime loading restoration with a success. I would like to invite you, challenge you, and all of the audience to follow my clinical data in the symposium. See you then.